Cheaper medical ablation catheter winding machine. Tackling the technical challenge of solder-free double helix coil winding on thin-wall tubes, we empower high-precision medical device manufacturing. Our core focus is addressing key pain points in process complexity and winding controllability. Winding solder-free dual-head coils on ultra-thin 0.05mm resin tubes, with precise positioning reserved for thermocouple installation, resolving issues such as low rigidity and deformation tendency of shielding tubes, consistency deviations caused by mold tolerance, and strict post-winding bending curvature control requirements through continuous technological iteration. Shibu has achieved 4 major breakthroughs: reliable formation of solder-free double helix coil heads, balanced parameter control of dual windings, precise regulation of post-winding curvature, cable winding of single-tube double helix structures, equipped with a dual-axis servo synchronization architecture and high-precision control capabilities. Our machine provides robust equipment support for high-end medical catheter manufacturing. Should you have any requirements, please contact Shipu directly. Rose given, fragrance remains. Your repost will help us extend our reach and deliver benefits to more partners.